Here is our sales database having 10,000 records. While this is the criteria having 4 parameters, we want to calculate total sales based on this criteria. So let's do this. We will use DSUM function, which is the database function, very dynamic and easy to use. So let's do it. Is equal to DSUM start parenthesis, then select the database, comma, then type column number where sales exist. So it is column number 4, then comma, and select the criteria. We will select the criteria including headings. Close parenthesis, hit enter. Great, we have extracted the total sales value as per this criteria. So if I change the criteria of sales, let's I do it 4,000, then you can see the change in the result. Now if I change the month, you see the change in the result, change the region, change the category. So this is a very simple method. You can also use sum if function, sum with XLOOKUP function, sum with index match function. But instead of using these complex functions, use this simple one, DSUM function.